Hello and welcome to BoardgameNinja. This is your quick guide to Genius Idea, a fast reasoning game you can learn in just 3 minutes so you can jump straight into the action. Let's dive in. In Genius Idea, you earn points by guessing the secret words of other players as quickly as possible. The player with the most points after everyone has taken a turn wins the game. At the start, each player draws 10 cards. Every card shows a unique word from a mix of topics. Choose one of them to be your secret word. Then, from the remaining 9 cards, pick 5 that best describe it. Those are your clues. This can be tricky since your options are limited, so don't hesitate to switch to another secret word if it fits your cards better. Each round has 3 roles that rotate between players: the Riddler, the Disruptor, and the Solvers. The Riddler shuffles their secret word together with 15 random cards from the draw pile, then lays them face up in a 4x4 grid so everyone can read them. They hand their 5 clue cards to the player on their left, the Disruptor. The Disruptor doesn't know what the secret word is, but they do have the clues. Their goal is to mislead the others because they score points if the solvers guess wrong. They'll start by placing one of the clue cards face up on the table. Now the solvers can either take a guess or wait for another clue. If you want to guess, place your fox token on the word you think is correct. The round immediately stops and the Riddler reveals whether it's right or wrong. If the guess is wrong, the Disruptor gains 1 point. If it's correct, both the solver and the Riddler score points equal to 2 plus the number of clue cards still left in the Disruptor's hand. Solvers who didn't guess or guessed wrong get no points. Play continues with the next clue. The Riddler can rearrange the cards to indicate which clue is more important. Play until the word has been guessed or 5 clues have been revealed with no one guessing correctly. The next player becomes the Riddler and a new round begins. Once everyone has been the Riddler once, the game ends. Count your points. The player with the highest total wins the game. At first, your 10 random words might seem impossible to combine. But when you play with 5 or 6 players, you'll find that most secret words are guessed after just 3 or 4 clues. What feels impossible at first suddenly clicks into place. And that's what makes Genius Idea so satisfying. Now you're ready to start playing. Subscribe so you can find us again next time. Good luck and game on!